Section 3, the last part, seeing the future and with the video conferencing. Okay, so now here what we have to do is those pair up, you're going to have to match with the list of headings. Okay, there's an example. Pair up number B is 7. 7, how video conferencing become more accessible to the general public. So number 7, heading number 7, you can strike it out because it saves you trouble. You will not use it anymore. Okay, so number 1, some criticisms of video conferencing. So people is going to talk about like no internet, not reliable internet connection, video resolution, stuff like that, the problems with the video conferencing. And the future of conferencing by video. Okay, and number 3, the transmission of education to remote area, very far away area. With the video conferencing, you can transmit the lectures and stuff like that. Number 4, the first stages of video conferencing, it's bound to be found in the beginning. And number 5, the necessity of having 2 televisions. Okay, and number 6, how video conferencing can benefit organization. So the keywords organization. Number 7 has already been used. Okay, and number 8, the various pieces of equipment needed. You need many equipments for the video conferencing. And number 10, the lack of exploitation. In this case, exploitation means using to a full extent, okay, of video conferencing in education. And people don't use it much, stuff like that. Okay, so you've got to match them with C, D, E, F, G. So you're gonna need only 5 of them, and don't forget 7 has already been used, so 7 you won't use it again. All right, so now let's move it on to the other parts. Okay, so this is multiple choice. So like I said, when it comes to multiple choice, don't read the options first. Read the question, try to find the relevant section, try to find the relevant pair up, try to pick out the answers, and you read the answer against the option. Video conferencing was not common initially, because initially in the beginning, so you're going to find it in the beginning why it wasn't common, why it wasn't widespread, because of the cost and the poor image quality, or poor advertising and marketing, or the lack of skilled technicians, or constant electronic failures. Number 35, video conferencing became more practical on personal computers. Once the internet became more widespread, or the picture quality became perfect, or the software became free for general public, or video compression technology worked better. And video conferencing has been attacked, has been criticized, has been blamed for several problems that cannot be solved, or the lack of large television screen, or there not being direct eye contact, or the failure of new digital technology. Okay, and number 37 to 39, multiple choice, choose 3 answers, okay, in any order. Which 3 of the following statements are true of video conferencing? A is cost effective, very effective for the cost for the business use, or operating VC equipment, video conferencing equipment, is not complicated. It's very user friendly, stuff like that. It will stop many problems in the classroom, or more people now have the necessary skills to use video conferencing, and modern equipment rarely breaks down. And people in remote area can have expertise like education, medical, anything taken to them. All right, so this is it. Multiple choice. The writer concludes that the success of video conferencing in the classroom, A, is less likely than that of the whiteboard. B, will certainly be short-lived. I mean, it's going to be just for a while and disappear, and may be linked to many unknown factors, or may finally depend on the environment. Okay, so let's give it a try.